Alright guys, here's my tool bag, and I'm going to show you everything that goes in that tool bag. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. Probably not, but I'm going to show you anyway. And if there's anything that you think I missed or should be carrying, let me know. I figured I'd make this video because I got a couple ideas of watching some other videos on what they were carrying, and I'll point that out when I get to it. Anyway, first off, I have some gloves, rubber gloves. They're probably about 4 or 5 pairs. I just stuff in there because chances are when you're going in your tool bag, you're gonna start getting dirty. I have a spark plug gapper. I have one fuel line. Drawing a blank here. You know what I'm talking about. Connector. Clamp. Hose clamp. There you go. Let's see here. I have a Motion Pro. This doubles as a, for a tire iron, but also this goes in here and you have a different variable to get my axle off. I can't remember which ones, but when I work on my bike, I try to work on what I have in my toolkit here, so I know I have pretty much everything. So I use 3 tire irons. I'll take 3. These are for my axles. Get a little closer here, maybe this way. Some various wrenches. I put some electrical tape on this wrench so I don't have to take the space of a huge roll of electrical tape. I know this is for my throttle cable if I need to adjust that down by the carburetor, because I put a new one in just the other day. This is for my spark plug, Allen wrench. I got some fuel line hose, a T-handle with 14, 12, 10, and 8. Tactical flashlight, which is always nice. Some safety wire. I have some razor blades in case anybody wants to get froggy out there. No, that's just for cutting stuff. But I also have this Spyderco Delica, which I like. Very nice little knife, very light. I'll be bringing that. Let's see, a couple needle nose, regular small pliers. I have some safety wire. I have some various fuses and connections. Some of them don't go to my bike, but maybe somebody else might need them that I might meet out on the trail. This is Motion Pro also. Can't open this with one hand. Hold on. Let's see what's in here. I have a to start the bead, some other various oh, I won't need that because I got some screwdriver connections, Allen wrench, some backup batteries for my headlamp, some baby powder for changing a tire, some fuel line extra, a bunch of zip ties, way too many. And let's see here, this is a stand. I forget who makes this, but you can put this on the rear swing arm or in the front by your engine guard and jack up. Just get the front or rear wheel off the ground so you can change a tire. It's great. It's very light, so you don't have to carry a center stand. And I rolled a bunch of duct tape on these two places of duct tape, so I have duct tape on there too, so I don't have to carry a big roll. This is an adjuster for my rear shock, which is the reason why all this stuff is out, because it felt a little soft when I had everything loaded on the bike, so I adjusted that a little bit. And this is the bag that I carry in. And is there anything left? Oh yeah, an evil ducky. Why would you ask that? Why would I need that? Well, why wouldn't I? Keep moving, my friends. I almost forgot, guys. This stuff, this is what I got off another guy's video. It's called friction tape. And supposedly it has many uses. It has a high heat tolerance, up to 500 degrees. You can wrap brake lines if you get a hole in your brake lines, radiator hose, various things. So friction tape, actually this goes by a different name. I had to kind of take the box off apart here to make it fit compact, but yeah, that'll also have a buddy toe. It's a long toe strap that you know, packs down real small. Also just a various strap that I could use for something, and some JB weld, because you never know, that could come in handy in fixing a case and helping you get out of the trail and back to somewhere where you can get fixed up. And I think that should do it. So if there's anything in there that may be helpful, hopefully there's something in there that maybe you didn't think of and you can put in your own arsenal. Or if there's something in that I don't have in there that you think is a must-have, please feel free to comment below and let me know.